Grouting of clay tiles. Unistone Super Grout, the ultimate grouting solution. With its high strength, water resistance, and can blend with various colors, it's perfect for clay tiles and more. First is the preparation of the grout. Mix Unistone Super Grout powder with water in the correct ratio and desired color until smooth and creamy for easy application and a strong bond. Now fill the grout gun with the prepared grout for precise and easy application between the tiles. Ensure the clay tile wall is clean and properly prepared for grouting, with all gaps clear and ready for application. Apply the grout steadily into the gaps, ensuring complete and smooth filling without overflowing onto the tiles. This is how the wall appears once all the gaps are filled with grout. Now gently clean off the overflowed grout from the tile surface using a scraper, making sure the grout lines remain neat and defined. Next, clean the wall with a wet sponge, wiping away any remaining grout haze. Here's the final look of the clay tile wall after grouting with perfectly filled grout lines for a clean and professional finish. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.